Hyundai introduces a smart hybrid solution with the all-new 2011 Sonata Hybrid. The hybrid starter generator enables a smooth and quick engine start. The hybrid Blue Drive system is among the first full hybrid systems on the market to use a conventional 6-speed step ratio automatic transmission. The electric motor is a core component of the Sonata's hybrid system and is placed between the engine and transmission. With the low thermal footprint, lithium polymer batteries are durable, compact, and lightweight. The precise control of Sonata's hybrid clutch delivers full electric power, even with a compact motor. The Sonata Hybrid is expected to achieve a best-in-class highway fuel economy rating of 40 miles per gallon. The Sonata Hybrid is virtually silent at startup. The car initially operates on the battery-powered electric motor, while the conventional internal combustion engine is off, minimizing fuel consumption and noise. As the Sonata Hybrid accelerates and more power is needed, the hybrid starter generator activates to start the gasoline engine. When the operating speed of the engine and motor are in sync, the engine clutch engages, so the car can operate on both the engine and motor at the same time. The Sonata Hybrid's advanced clutch pad offers smooth acceleration and outstanding fuel economy with precise engagement. The Sonata Hybrid can even run in EV mode at highway speeds under certain conditions. The economical and simple hybrid Blue Drive structure utilizes the efficiency of the transmission and provides best-in-class fuel economy. The power of the engine added to the electric motor offers brisk acceleration. When the car slows down, the engine clutch is detached and the engine is turned off. At this point, the Sonata Hybrid recharges its battery through the motor, using the driving force of the wheels. This is called regenerative braking. When the car stops, the engine also shuts off to prevent any fuel waste. The motor is restarted simply by stepping on the accelerator. Hyundai takes another step forward in fuel economy leadership with the Sonata Hybrid.